Our engineers wanted a coilover system for the JK that just didn't throw a set of shocks in the factory location. The new JK TeraFlex Falcon Shock coilover system moves the rear coilovers outside the frame. And what a difference it makes. They built a suspension that had maintained stable and comfortable street manners, as well as providing world-class flex and go-fast capability. Let's just go out here and rally this thing. Yeah. This is the new JK Coilover, and I'm just gonna bring it because, you know, I have total faith that it's gonna just get me through this without... Oh yeah, this is zero bottoming. Oh my gosh, this is the big nasty. No bottom. Unbelievable. Okay, I'll hit that harder next time. Probably should have driven this once just to see if it's gonna kill me. But hey, this is going well. Over it. I think I might have found the bottom a little on that one, but I also found some air, so that's fair. Okay. That was enjoyable. This everything clears at full suspension travel conversion is a result of the Falcon Shock's coilover team working closely with the TeraFlex engineers. And I'll tell you what, these guys knocked it out of the park. The new JK Wrangler coilover suspension builds on our TeraFlex Alpine long arm lift and adds some massively strong upper shock towers along with relocated up out of the way lower shock mounts. These guys spend a lot of time dialing in the shock towers and testing for full articulation clearance, even with 40-inch tires. So we did the Trail Hero thing where we took this thing and wheeled it for the whole week down there, going through the big twisty, the sand stuff that's down there. A lot of fun, and it worked well in the rocks, really twisted up well. Now, we don't try to sell you on a 16-inch coilover that you're only going to be able to use 10 inches of its travel. When Falcon provides a 13-inch coilover, you're going to be able to use every inch of its travel. No sales gimmicks. Not to mention the vehicle-specific adjustable shock tuning.
Am I man enough?
Every once in a while you have those moments and those times in your job where the joy just flows. Okay, we're gonna just hit this a little harder this time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that cranking those shocks up was wonderful. Okay, that was a little air, not a problem. Didn't bottom. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. You know what was interesting? I should have slowed down for that whoop a little bit because it just freaking caught air. And of course it never does really land right directly on the trail when you do that. So we had to do a little sideways driving there for a second. But it didn't really bottom hard. It never did bottom hard. It just kind of said, "You idiot, calm down." So yes, the heart of the TeraFlex JK coilover system is the Falcon coilover shocks. And they are all about smooth and quiet. There's no need to spend a wad of cash having your coilovers tuned. It's already been done. Oh, and this is a sanitary install. The kit even includes rear inner carpet for the wheel wells. Just because you made your JK into a boulder and desert pounding machine, it doesn't mean it has to look like a farm implement. I mean, this is a TeraFlex and Falcon Shock's purpose-built complete system. Of course it looks and performs fantastic.